So don't be cheap. If you get these extensions, make sure you get 2 packs because one is not gonna cut it. The quality should really be giving, and straight out the pack, stiff wear. Okay, so now for the final reveal. Are y'all ready? What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Lee, and I'm back again with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be trying out these clip-in hair extensions from Amazon. This video is not sponsored, but I just figured I'd get on here and make a video for you guys, just showing you, if they're really what they're cracked up to be, because I've been seeing them all over TikTok. And yeah, I just figured why not try them out. So this is how they came. Well, this is actually how they came packaged. Super cute packaging, but this is what it looks like once it's taken out of the shipping packaging. And I did order the 22-inch, but yeah, I'm not sure what the hair company is called, so I'll definitely be sure to link them in the description down below. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started because I'm excited. I think these are gonna look so cute. I just straightened my hair not too long ago. It's looking a little old, but I feel like once I touch it up and add the extensions, it's gonna be a look. So like I said, without further ado, let's just get started. But I did order 2 bundles because a lot of the reviews were saying that one was not enough, so I did order 2. But yeah, these lashes came with it, and it came in this little baggie, and then this clear baggie. It just has the length on there. So like I said, it's 22 inches. And yeah, these are 100% human hair clip-in extensions, so the quality should really be giving, and straight out the pack, stiff wear. So yeah, I'm excited. We're just gonna get started here. Okay, so like I said, I did order 2 packs. So in one pack, I didn't really look at how many pieces came in each pack, so I'm just gonna open them now and show you guys. So we have 2, what do I call this? 2 wefts with 3 clips, another one with 3 clips, 4 with 3 clips, 2 with 2 clips, and 2 with 1 clip. So I'm not really sure how I want to put these in yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and open the other bag, and then I guess we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna section off this part of my hair, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with one that has 2 clips because I feel like the 3 clips are just too wide for the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna take this one, push it out a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and snap that into my head. And I'm literally not making these parts perfect at all. I just feel like they don't need to be. So yeah. And I'm also gonna just brush my hair as I go. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a 3 clipper. So now, just for the sake of time, because I feel like it's gonna just be a little bit repetitive, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a few pieces, try to hide the blonde a little bit so it looks a little bit better for y'all, and then I'll be back. So before I get too carried away, I just wanted to get back on and show you guys what it looks like with just 1 pack in. I decided to leave out the 1 pieces for the end because I'm just gonna put them at the top. But aside from those, this is what a full pack looks like. So you can see what I was talking about, what they were saying in the reviews. It's just too thin. You don't want to do that. So don't be cheap. If you get these extensions, make sure you get 2 packs because one is not gonna cut it unless you're just trying to do a little half up, half down. So just a fair warning. Just a fair warning.
So crazy. Love me up back, baby. Get me what needs me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day
Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. I'm not sure if I want to do a side part or a middle part. I don't know what it's giving. I don't know. Maybe it is giving middle part, y'all. Or is it giving side part? I don't know. Give me a minute. I'll be back again. Alright, y'all. I decided to be basic and do a middle part. But the good thing about it is it's clipping. So if I want to change it, I can change it to a side part anytime. So I did a middle part. So yeah.
I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need.
so I have both packs of hair in my head. So this is what it's looking like. You know, it's giving full. I tried to cover the blonde, but it's still peeking out a little bit, so it's fine. It's really fine. But the length is giving, and the movement is definitely giving as well. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some heat protectant. I'm gonna straighten it out, you know, make it look a little bit neater, and then we're gonna lay my edges, and that's gonna be it for this look. So this is what it's looking like with one side straightened. So now I'll be back to show you guys the other side. All right, so I finished straightening the hair and the extensions and all that, so everything is all blended in. We just got to take care of these edges.
Todd, can you play that again? 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day.
So yeah, I'm gonna play around with these and I'll be back to show y'all the finished result. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. So I think I'm just going to tie them down for a little bit, and then I'll be back for real to show y'all the final result. This side's looking a little crazy. I don't know. I keep playing with it, but I think I took too much hair out, and now it's too late for me to like comb it back because I put product on it. So yeah, we'll just kind of paint with this side. But it's good for the most part, so I'm gonna tie it down and then I'll be back. Okay, so now for the final reveal. Are y'all ready? Okay, so this is what the final result is looking like. But this is what it looks like. This is what the length looks like as well. The length is definitely giving. I'm gonna try and show y'all in the mirror, but yeah. The length and the movement, the body, everything is giving. It looks nice and full. So yeah, I definitely love how this hair turned out. But yeah, that is it for this video. Definitely make sure you check out this hair. Like I said, it's not sponsored, but the hair, I have to say, I can honestly say that the hair is bomb. So like I said, I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. And if y'all wanna, you know, purchase this hair, I don't even blame you. And if this company, if y'all see this video and you know you want to sponsor your girl, that's cool too. That's cool. So yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Can you play that again?
Baby bad.